Make your business look as beautiful as your work. Landscape Edition. Brand recognition is an important part of digital marketing that aids in brand trust and loyalty. One of the easiest yet most effective tactics to help build brand recognition for your landscaping company is to create a unique logo. You make beautiful things happen for your clients, so why not showcase your beautiful work to the public? Try to capture the curves and colors of a garden or lawn you're proud of. You can even include your employees on the job. Generate brand awareness for your landscaping business through social media. Make your page look stunning with all the amazing work your crew does, and post relevant content across social media, creating a wide audience of potential customers. Start marketing in January and February. When it's cold out, your customers are longing for spring and summer. Show them what they could have when the weather gets warmer and have them book with you today. Offer content people want to read. They will start to share your content, and you get to reach multiple potential customers at once. This also drives people to your website. Thank you for listening to this Tuesday's tip. Our next video tip will explore HVAC marketing strategies. Stay tuned.